What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to this new video on Bitcoin, your daily Bitcoin update. As you'll be able to see, there's a little bit of a different background. I'm at my parents' house taking care of my dog, which is nice. But yeah, pretty different background. I think it looks nice though, but all right. In this video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. It has been pretty bullish, but it's not bullish yet, and we're going to be talking about what could happen and what would need to happen to become bullish, and whether it's possible at all, at least in my opinion. So before that, if you want to join the Trading Signals group, which is doing pretty well at this point in time, I think we hit like 3 take profits in the last 24 hours. Check out the pinned comment or the description for the Telegram group or the Discord channel, and there are links on how to join the Signals group and instructions. Alright, but now let's get right into it. So as I said, Bitcoin is doing fairly well. I mean, altogether what you could have seen is that we started some sort of bullish momentum already when we found support this weekend at the 200 EMA. And right now if you zoom out, we're very much confirming the uptrend, right? Oh, there's a lot of movement in the market. But right now we're very much there's a lot going on. We're very much respecting this long-term uptrend, I think, at least. And if you draw this trend line like this, you can also see that we found a perfect third touch with this touch. So altogether, we're doing fairly well. So the big question is can we actually really become bullish? Because I would say that the level we really need to be above is 24,000, which is a pretty difficult level to get above. It's a major resistance level. Right now, though, what's happening is that the dollar strength index is dropping quite a bit. I mean, as you can see, we already had that drop 2 days ago. Then we were also relatively bullish right here, the 27th. We spiked up quite a bit. And today we're bullish again while the dollar strength index is falling. And altogether, I mean, we all knew that the level right here, which we touched, was a very strong resistance level. And if you zoom out with the dollar strength index, that was really the level we needed to break above if we wanted to reverse and become bullish with the dollar strength index, which would have been bad for Bitcoin. So if this is a last resistance and from here we will continue to drop back down again, then that's very beneficial for Bitcoin and we will definitely become bullish again. For now, though, it is not confirmed yet. All right. And my take on the economic circumstances right now is that I think there's quite a likely chance that inflation and stuff will start to go up again, or at least become stable at around 6%, which is too high for the Federal Reserve. So then the monetary policy will probably change. That's something I'm afraid of, but I also think it's quite likely right now. We'll maybe get some confirmation today with the ISM manufacturing PMI and other economic numbers coming out. I'll keep you updated on that, of course, in the Telegram and stuff, but altogether, I mean, I don't think the economic circumstances are great, but technically we're quite bullish, all right? So that's quite kind of the difficult thing. We also, well, we found resistance at the 50 EMA, which is that red line. I'll zoom in for you a little bit more, which is that red line. We found resistance there. Now we broke above that, right? So there's definitely bullish momentum, but for now, I'm still going to say, even though it's really going against the trend, but it just follows the way I see the fundamentals. And I could be wrong about that, but all right. I still think it's more likely that 24,000, or we might spike up to like 24,200, but that from there we will continue this bearish momentum. And then at some point, even though we will find enough support at 23,200, at some point I think that's going to break, and I think we're going to drop down to our next support level around 22,500. That's in my eyes still the most likely scenario, but as I said, purely technically this would not be the most likely scenario. Purely technically it would be more likely that we'll break above 24,000, something like this, and that will continue to go up towards 24,700, 24,800. But as I said, I don't think the fundamentals align, and in my mind fundamentals are always stronger than the technicals. So yeah, but that's my take on Bitcoin for today. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.